Here's a question most managers can't answer fast enough. If your best operator called in sick tomorrow, what would stop? This workbook answers it on one screen. It's called an ILUO matrix. Every person goes down one side, every task across the top, and each cell records how far that person has got, from in training to limited to unsupervised to fully signed off. Fill it in, and a wall of cells becomes a heat map of your whole team's capability. The 4 levels are the heart of it. In training means they're learning, with someone alongside. Limited means they can help, but not work alone. Unsupervised is the line that matters. They can run the task on their own, to standard. And operator means they can do that, and train the next person too. A task only counts as covered when someone reaches unsupervised. So the board counts, for every task, how many people can actually run it alone, and sorts each one into covered single point of failure, or no coverage at all. No more guessing where you're thin. And that's the payoff. When exactly one person can run a critical task, you are one sick day, one holiday, one resignation away from a stop. The board paints those rows so you can't miss them. And every one of them is your next cross-training job. It's built on your real work. The Stations and Tasks tab holds every task, how critical it is, and the evidence behind a sign-off. So an operator rating is one you could defend to an auditor, not just a color on a grid. You get a 6-tab workbook, 4 plain English guides, and a printable wall chart for the shop floor. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, and you own it outright. No seats, no monthly fee, no platform holding your team's data. Find it on Ardent Workshop or Etsy. The links are below. Map your team once, and the next time someone hands in their notice, you'll already know exactly who can step in. That's the whole idea.